Here comes Papa. He's going to get in the truck. Betty's going to have to scoot over. Scoot over, Betty. There she comes. She sits in the middle. Sit down, Betty. She doesn't give Papa much room, does she? Betty really likes to go bye-bye. I think she thinks she's going to stand up for this trip. This is where we live. You can see what the front yard looks like, and there are plenty of coconut trees with lots of coconuts on them. This kind of truck is called a flatbed because it only has a little place to sit, but behind it, there's a big place to sit. You see that? Here we go down our road. This is the road we live on. It doesn't really have a name. It's kind of bumpy going down the road. Here we go. Betty's looking too. She likes to see outside. It's a little bumpy. Sorry about that. The roads in Chuuk are really, really bumpy. There's some little kids and some ladies. Now we're going to make a turn by the mango tree. Can you see that mountain? We call it Tonachau. Your mama knows a story about that mountain. I'm sure she'll tell you all about it. Here we go, down the road. In Chuuk, we don't have big roads like you have in America. We just have little roads. Here we go. Betty's having a good time. She likes to ride down the road. Do you notice that I'm sitting on the other side? In Chuuk, with our truck, Papa sits on the other side of where a passenger usually sits. And I sit where the driver usually sits. But there's no steering wheel on this side. Here we go down the road. There's lots of trees hanging over it. Do you see it? And there's some more palm trees too. Coconut trees. Here we go. Gonna go around the corner. Betty, what do you think of this? Do you like going down the road? She's concentrating. And so is Papa. He's concentrating too. Like I said, the roads in Chuuk are pretty bumpy. It's hard to hold the camera still. We're going to pass by a place where some of the Sunday school kids live, and I'll roll down the window so we can say hello to them. Okay, here we go. We're still going down this bumpy road. You see the kids playing? Yeah. And here we go around the corner. There's a dog. He barked at Betty. You see all the traffic? Come on in, Betty! There's one of the little girls from our church. Would you like to see downtown? These are the stores. They sell clothes. They hang them all outside so people can see them. They have skirts and dresses. That's mostly what the clothes they sell here. It's just skirts and dresses. Do you see those? Do you see one you like? Here's the downtown traffic. On the other side of that fence is the ocean. I don't know if you can see it from here. I'll try to get in front of Betty's nose. Can you see the ocean out there? Here's another store. They're different because they have their clothes on the inside. Mostly just skirts though. This car wants to go, so we're going to let him go in front of us. Here now you can see the ocean again. Well, there's a few things in that for sale over there. Betty likes coming to town. She likes to see everybody. The stores are all really small. And And those people are going to go back to their island on their boats. There's some people parked their boats so they could go shopping, and those people on the hill over there are waiting to get back in their boat to go back home to their island. Here we go. Now we have some more skirts for sale. Do you see them? There's all different colors and a few more dresses. And there's some fruit for sale. They even have some bananas. What do you think, Betty? Do you want a banana? Oh, there's a ship.
We got some today. Come, Yuri.
Do you see the ship?
Got some.
Do you see the ship out there? Wow.
That ship.